What's on your mind? Update status. Savi Fuentes. I'm so bored. Anyone to talk to? 26 likes, comment, share. Stacy Fuentes sent you a message. Stacy, girl, gusto mong sumama sa GC? Savi, sure, hehe, masaya ba dyan? Stacy, yes, masaya kang kausap mga members and they are kind. Savi, sige add mo na ako. Kailan pala uwi mo? I miss you na. Stacy, I don't know pa eh. Wait a second, add na kita. Stacy Fuentes added you to the group. 4. Oh, may bago. 7. Yan na ba siya? 18th? Hahaha. First, welcome to the CC. There's only one rule here. Once you're in, don't leave this group chat or else you will perish a grievous death. If you don't want me to cut your body into pieces, take note of this. Stay and you're being here, admin. Stacy Fuentes left the group. Savi's POV. Niyakap ng malamig na hangin ng katawan ko matapos isara ang mga bintana sa loob ng tinutuluyan kong dorm. Nakakabingi ang katahimikan ng gabi. Mukhang malapit na rin ang pagbuhos ng ulan kaya agad akong bumalik sa kama. Paano babasahin to? My curiosity was piqued by the group chat's name. What does that even mean? Kaloka, ang mysterious naman ng GC na to. Sunod-sunod ang pagtunog ng phone ko dahil sa mga mensahe nila. Mukhang nagtataka ang iba sa pag-alis ni Stacy, lalo na kung anong rason niya. Hindi ko tuloy maiwasang magtaka nang muling mabasa ang GC rule. It clearly states that you are not allowed to leave, but why did Stacy leave the group? Mukhang ayos lang sa kanila ang nangyari. Wala bang magagalit? Final na yun. Sa bagay, mukhang purong kalokohan lang naman iyon, lalo na sa kapalit sa oras na piliin mong umalis. As if they are going to murder her, right? Sabi, curious lang, hehe. Akala ko bawal mag-leave. Seen by 2nd, 11th, 5th, and others. Sabi, grabe. Seen agad? 13, hi. Welcome to our GC. 2nd, thanks for joining the group chat. I hope you will enjoy our service. 10, uy, kaki. Tunog death threat, ha. Sabi, bakit puro numbers nickname nyo? First set your nickname to 20. Sabi, ay ba't 20? Ha. 6. Obvious ba, girl? 11. Because you're the 20th member of this GC. He. Sabi, ha? 16 members lang naman nandito. Check nyo. 11. Haha. Wait, sige, explain ko. 11. Nag-leave rin kasi yung tatlo. Pero counted pa rin sila kaya hindi 17th nickname mo kahit 16 members lang nandito. Gets ba? Hehe. Sabi, wow, talaga? E di namatay sila or nahiwa yung katawan nila into pieces? Hahaha. First, hell yeah.